All right, guys, in today's combo, we went over, what did we go over?
I don't know, I just followed.
You just follow. That's a great question.
Yeah.
Great answer. I mean, we went over 360 around the world, then into axle turn and turning the follow.
Yes.
Second part, we went over the same thing. We just added an inside turn with a stop. Yes, where I make you mark your step in place and then you turn.
Right.
Then you do a frisbee.
Yes.
And did you love it?
Loved it.
Okay, now we go. So, first combo, we do basic. 1, 2, 3. Close position first. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6. Open break. 1, 3. Cross in forward. Cross body lead. 5. Switch the hand. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. And then I left it with just a hairbrush. Yes? What I've noticed, some of the leads, well, when we did this, 1, 2, 3, sorry, the follows, they were turning before we even tell them to turn. So turn yourself. That makes it awkward, yes? Follows, just wait for us first to indicate this direction. That's what tells you turn. Don't turn before that. Yes?
Correct.
Then, second part, básico. 1, 3, open break. 1, 3, 5, 7. 1, 2, 3. Hand cross. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Some of you guys forgot that we're doing another crossbody lead. Instead, you went into this and created a different combo. Social dancing, there's nothing wrong. But in this class, don't go over this. Another thing that I saw, one lead did this. Means you're turning the follow. Social dancing, nothing wrong. In class, that's not what we're doing. You're turning the follow, but keeping the hand at the height of the follow's shoulder. Here, follows, make sure you mark your step. Step, step, step. As the lead goes, step, 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 then turn 6 and 7. Yes? I'll do it again. New part. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, stop. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Another thing that I noticed, you leads were going 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 1, and turning too fast. Yes? Don't forget we have an 8 for a reason. The A is to do what? Slow down. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3. Freeze. B. Turn. 1, 2, 3. Whole thing together. 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Sí o sí.